Ever wondered what are the essentials you should never leave home without when going on a trip? Ah, the packing dilemma. It's a common problem we all face. Overpacking, forgetting the essentials, or both. It's a chaotic dance of decision-making that can leave even the most seasoned traveler in a spin. But don't fret, there's a solution, a comprehensive packing list. So, buckle up, folks. In this video, we'll guide you through the ultimate packing list, breaking down the essentials and non-essentials. First things first, let's dive into the essentials. These are items you absolutely cannot afford to forget. Starting with hygiene, you'll want to pack travel-sized versions of your everyday basics like toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, and soap. If you're a lady, don't forget those essential feminine hygiene products. And let's not forget a handy pack of tissues or wet wipes. They're lifesavers in more situations than you can imagine. Moving on to clothing, the key is to pack versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Think a pair of comfortable jeans, a couple of basic tees, a lightweight jacket, and a pair of sturdy shoes. Don't forget to pack underwear and socks, and a swimsuit if you're planning to hit the beach or pool. Next up, we have documents. A no-brainer, right? Your passport, driver's license, and any necessary visas are crucial. But also think about copies of your important documents, in case the originals get lost. Also, don't forget travel insurance details, emergency contacts, and any reservation confirmations. In the age of technology, gadgets are also an essential part of our lives. Your phone, charger, and a power bank are must-haves. If you're a music lover, don't forget your headphones. For those long flights or bus rides, an e-reader can be a great companion. Lastly, let's talk about health supplies. This includes any prescription medicines you're taking, a basic first aid kit, and travel-sized hand sanitizer. If you're going somewhere sunny, don't forget your sunscreen. And if you're heading to a place known for its mosquitoes, a good insect repellent is a must. Remember, these are just the bare minimum. Depending on your destination and activities, you might need to add more items. But these essentials will get you started on the right track, ensuring that you're prepared for any adventure that comes your way. After all, the best trips are those where you can relax and enjoy, knowing you're well prepared. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's move on to the non-essentials. These items can make your trip more comfortable, but you can survive without them. First up, we have the luxury items. This includes things like your favorite book or a travel pillow. Yes, they can provide comfort during your journey, but they're not vital. If you've got some extra room in your luggage, feel free to pack them. If not, you might want to reconsider. Next, we have the gadget category. Here, we're talking about items like portable chargers, noise-canceling headphones, and travel adapters. These items can definitely make your trip more convenient, but remember, they're not indispensable. If you're going on a short trip, you might not need that extra charger. And while noise-canceling headphones are great, they're not necessary for survival. Then we have the category of extra clothing. This includes things like a second pair of shoes or an extra jacket. Sure, it's nice to have options, but if you're tight on space, these are the things that you can leave behind. Remember, you can always do laundry on the road, or even buy new clothes if necessary. Lastly, we have the category of special occasion items. This includes things like formal wear or sport-specific gear. Unless you're certain you'll need these, it's best to leave them at home. They take up a lot of space, and you might not end up using them. So there you have it. A list of items that are nice to have, but not crucial. Remember, the goal of packing is not to bring your entire home with you, but to bring what you need to survive and enjoy your journey. Every item you pack should serve a purpose. If it doesn't, ask yourself if it's really worth the space it's taking up. While these are not crucial, they can significantly enhance your travel experience. Consider your needs and packing space before deciding to bring them. Packing everything can be a challenge. But don't worry, we've got some hacks and tips to make it easier. Let's start with a simple yet effective tip: rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Not only does this technique save space, but it also reduces wrinkles. Think of it as a 2-for-1 deal. And if that wasn't enough, rolling your clothes also makes it easier to see everything you've packed at a glance. Next on the list is the use of packing cubes. These little lifesavers are perfect for organizing your suitcase and making the most of every inch of space. They come in all shapes and sizes, so there's a packing cube for everything, from your toiletries to your shoes. Now, let's talk about the weight distribution in your backpack or suitcase. The best place for your heavier items is at the bottom. This simple hack not only prevents your bag from toppling over but also makes it easier to carry, as the weight is closer to your body's center of gravity. And lastly, always remember to leave a little space for souvenirs or any unexpected additions. While it's important to maximize space, it's equally important to have a little wiggle room for those unexpected finds or last-minute additions. With these hacks, you'll be able to pack more efficiently, saving you time and space. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, so make sure your packing process is as stress-free as possible. Finally, let's talk about luggage. Choosing the right bag can make a world of difference. You see, each type of luggage has its own strengths and weaknesses. Take backpacks, for instance. They're versatile, easy to carry, and perfect for those off-the-beaten-path adventures. However, they might not offer the organization or protection that some travelers need. Then there are suitcases. These classic travel companions come in a variety of sizes and styles, and many offer features like spinner wheels and built-in locks. But they can be cumbersome in crowded or uneven environments. And let's not forget about duffel bags. Compact and flexible, duffel bags can squeeze into tight spaces, making them a great option for short trips or as a secondary bag. However, they can become uncomfortable if overpacked or carried for long periods. Your choice should depend on factors like the duration of your trip, your mode of transportation, and your personal comfort. The right luggage can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. So choose wisely.